Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Great to hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Appreciate every last one of you. Energy is fluid. Take it resonate. If it does not, if it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. All right. It is Saturday. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. We have a fox here. Somebody's being sneaky, sneaky. We got the Nine of Wands. I'm seeing wounded warrior energy out here. According to the traditional tarot, I'm seeing someone will be learning some sort of lesson, overcoming some sort of spiritual lesson or something. And I'm seeing again that there's energy where you will learn to protect your energy, or this is where it's a lesson here where you'll learn to protect your energy, is what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and clarify this. Oh, before I start that, let's read Fox number 14. 4 1 is reduced to 5. Okay, number 9 might be significant. I'm seeing something coming to an end. All right, let me go. 14. Okay. Clash with insidious people, gossip, and intrigue. The use of personal interest for profit and dealing with cunning individuals. So it seems like there's some sort of clash or insidious individual, someone that is gossiping about you, all right, possibly intrigued about you, okay, utilizing their personal interest for profit. They're trying to use you for profit, talk about you for profit. This is a cunning individual. I told you, a sly fox, somebody that you can't trust, a person that sneak up on you, type of energy. Okay, something coming to an end. I said what I said. Wounded warrior. So maybe this person may have gotten close. We're getting close. Okay, but again, it's a lesson that you will definitely be learning. Okay, and I see this is not going to bring you down or keep you down. It's actually going to have you come back stronger than ever. That's what I'm seeing here, and bring something to a screeching halt. All right. Look, spiritual is out here. I'm seeing energy of chaos, ego death, downward spiral, and spiritual awakening. Somebody's about to go through a spiritual awakening dealing with you. It seems like this person is attacking you or coming for you spiritually. And it looks like they will be going through a downward spiral if they aren't right now. Okay. If this individual is about to go through some sort of major, major spiritual awakening, some sort of dark night of the soul, they're going to go through some sort of ego death. All right. That's what I'm seeing here. All right. They're coming up against a divine feminine energy. Someone who has divinity is what I'm seeing here. What's going on with the spiritual? I see you getting unexpected finances. One more, please, Spirit, for this spiritual energy. And I see a home here. Okay. So it seems like you're definitely going to be compensated for someone's actions. All right. At the bottom of the deck, I am seeing a rich guy. So it looks like you guys getting ready to receive some sort of unexpected money, possibly some sort of donation. I'm speaking to a divine feminine energy or something like that. Now, there's something significant to a house. So be careful with someone, whoever this rich guy is what I'm showing here. Be careful with whoever this person is trying to charm you. Because I'm seeing that as well within the love potion number 9. Like there's some sort of love spell. I'm seeing energy of animosity. So it could be somebody in this rich guy enemy or someone aware of you coming into a connection with a rich guy that is trying to sneak their way in, possibly to, hinder some sort of connection that you're supposed to have, is what I'm seeing here. You guys are actually in the present energy of receiving unexpected finances, unexpected money. Number 2, 27, and 20 could be significant. 222 could be significant as well. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the tarot and get into it and see what's going on. Would you mind clarifying divine feminine energy, please, Spirit? Mm. So divine feminine got a fox in their energy, someone that's sly, cunning, gossiping, trying to use you for profit. Is that what it say? Use you for profit? They said malice. Okay. Ooh, it says fraud, deceit, malice, a desire for personal gain. This person is desiring personal gain by causing problems. Because in a workplace, it could symbolize some sort of workplace rivalry, colleagues using manipulative tactics and intentions against you. So somebody could be doing the same thing as you, work with you or something like that. Clarifying divine feminine energy. Divine feminine is coming out as the King of Pentacles. Big dog. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that there's a closing to a cycle, or there was a closing to a cycle, and I'm showing that there was some sort of breakup with divine feminine and someone else, and I guess somebody is not okay with that. All right. I feel like this person possibly was once a friend and became an enemy because you didn't, I guess you didn't, I don't know if you didn't go along with what they had with the image or some sort of mask that they had, possibly seen them exactly for who they are. But again, whoever you are, you could possibly have Earth in your chart, strong Taurus energy, Bull energy, or it could be Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. But I am definitely seeing a closing to a cycle or contract or with whoever this Fox energy is. It seems like there was some sort of breakup, some sort of severance of ties, is what I'm showing here. Possibly ended in heartbreak. I'm seeing judgment being called. All right, so it seems like Divine Feminine received some sort of awakening in regards to whoever this fox energy is and was called to leave this person alone and stand in your power is what I'm saying here. Somebody could possibly have water in their chart with this King of Cups, could be significant as well. Clarify this unexpected money. Number 27, unexpected money, please, Spirit. What's going on with unexpected money? Now, with this unexpected money, I am definitely seeing the Nine of Cups. So it looks like there's this is some sort of wish fulfillment for you guys. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of happiness. I'm seeing an energy of you actually maintaining some sort of control. Whoever you are, you might be a very humbled individual. I don't see you flashing or doing too much, but I am definitely seeing an energy of you being happy. And in the instance of you having this happiness, this joy, this wish fulfillment, is there's an energy of the Nine of Swords. Somebody's feeling some type of way because things coming into alignment for you. Ace of Swords out here clarifying that. Yeah, there's an energy behind you or within your energy that you have walking away from is as you are leveling up and receiving unexpected money, and there's an energy of wish fulfillment and happiness and joy. There's an energy of someone that might be envious and jealous. That's why they're talking about you being conniving, trying to utilize some sort of finances off your energy, talking about you, gossiping and things like that. That's the person that's still in your energy, utilizing. Y'all want to say utilizing dark magic because that is a form of witchcraft, gossip. Yeah, this is someone that you definitely walk away from. But again, like I stated, there is a wish fulfillment here with the star. Whoever you are, you're very spiritual, and I see you in the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, clarifying unexpected money, Nine of Pentacles. Um, single, independent, stable, luxury type of energy. All right, very abundant is what I'm seeing here. Clarify this house. Number 20 for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What's going on with this house? What is it that we need to know in regards to this house? Leather might be significant as well. All right, clarifying this house. Now, the first card that came out clarifying house was the King of Swords. Well, is the King of Swords. It's coming out as masculine energy. Air sign, Libra. Energy could definitely be significant. I feel like there's an energy of self-sabotage here. Um, What's going on with this house? Self-sacrifice or something like that. I feel like somebody think that they're going to get away with something. And again, energy is fluid. It could be a masculine or feminine energy. Okay. Yeah. Somebody think they're gonna get away with something. That's what I'm seeing here. There's definitely energy of self-sabotage. Okay. Some sort of self-sacrificial energy is what I'm showing here. I'm seeing someone have gone through or going through some sort of spiritual enlightenment, or it's like during spiritual enlightenment is what I'm seeing here with the hermit. There's an energy of you guys going within. You know, when you go in this hermit mode, there's an energy of solitude that you go in. That's the time between you and the Most High. The archangels, your benevolent spirit guides, and etc. There's energy of you guys being moved to calmer waters. Yeah, there's an energy of some sort of calm after a storm. I'm speaking to the Empress. Divine feminine energy being moved to calmer waters. Clarifying this house. Someone is going to be moving. There's an energy of moving or spirit have already moved you, okay? Because it seems like there's some sort of soulmate. You guys could have been soulmates, twin flames, some sort of connection or partnership. This could even be someone that you know from a previous lifetime that follows you here, bringing you conflict, arguments, trying to lower your vibration, trying to bring some sort of conflict, arguments, fussing, fighting towards you. Again, like I stated before, it could be masculine or feminine energy, and it's utilizing communication. I feel like this person could be doing this online. They could have, I don't know if there's some sort of argument back and forth in text message they're trying to communicate, but there's definitely energy of somebody is experiencing or feeling unwelcome. If they aren't now, they will definitely have this energy of feeling unwelcome, especially when it comes to your new beginning. After you block them, they're going to already be blocked after they've done or said the things that they have already said about you behind their back. They already revealed their true colors and who they are. Like I stated, the witchcraft or the things that they have been saying, it seems like that's spiritual warfare up against a divine feminine energy. And it seems like your spirit team won't have come through, or they are coming through for you on your behalf, especially in regards to this conflict. And I see you guys, they had you separate from whoever this person is, block this person, possibly even set boundaries. It looks like this person could be very much immature, childish, or something like that with this Page of Cups. Okay, emotionally immature or possibly childish or something like that. Again, this person could very much have water in their chart. I am definitely seeing an energy of them watching, spying, being curious about you. Okay, this could also be an energy of this person being very apologetic. This could be a masculine as well, like a father figure, some sort of older masculine or something like that. Husband, child father, or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here. And it looks like it's building. The momentum is building. What's getting ready to happen divinely is happening. Okay? That's what I'm showing you. I see you guys invested a lot of time or money or energy into something. And something, again, I'm seeing an energy of wish fulfillment here. All right. Again, like I stated, whoever you are, you can have water in your chart. Cancer can be significant. With this Queen of Cups energy, that's what I'm seeing here. And look, we got the Ten of Pentacles out here. I'm seeing energy, you guys moving forward unscathed. There's an energy of victory out here. All right. Yeah, there's an energy you guys having some sort of advantage and somebody missing an opportunity. This is an energy of them being regretful, trying to reach out, and you rejecting their offer. It's a missed opportunity as you continue to move forward. Yep, and you guys receiving good news, especially when it comes to finances, and money and stability and security and a solid foundation. We got the Four Wands out here. There's definitely a celebration out here, and it's happening unexpected. As good is happening for you, and this happiness and this joy is happening for you. It seems like it's going to be someone else's downfall. And it seems like whoever you are, you're very spiritual, you're very wise. You probably possibly utilize divination of your own or something like that. Or you just might have an inner knowing that you mess with me, it's gonna come back on you. You mess with my money, your money gonna end up looking funny. So if this person, they not having money problems now, they definitely about to run into some sort of money problems. Everything is getting ready to change in this person's life. I'm seeing, like I stated before, a downward spiral. All that mouth. People keep forgetting the mouth is a sword. Okay, you can, just like you can build, you can destroy. Not only your own life, possibly someone else's. But I think this person thought that they was gonna talk and try to throw jabs at you and talk about you and think nothing was gonna happen or come back in return. They must possibly, like I stated, possibly even sent you some sort of love magic or some sort type of magic. But they was also doing witchcraft. And all that energy they gave out, it gotta go somewhere. It gotta go somewhere. And if one come and it's not coming towards you. You have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.